Hello everyone. Today I'm here with the third topic of this poem, First Day at School, and the competencies which we are going to focus are reading, speaking, and writing. Today we are going to discuss the of the poem. So, as you can see here, there are three questions in this lesson. I'm reading out these questions for you, explaining you the meaning of these questions. Then what you have to do that you will think of the answers in your mind and you will discuss the answers with your parents. Okay, I'll give you some time for that. You have to discuss it with your parent. So let's start. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? That means जो child इस poem में था what he was thinking about वो अपनी drawing के बारे में his drawing अपनी drawing के बारे में क्या सोच रहा था. Okay, so based on your reading of this poem you have to answer this question. Just think and discuss. I think you must have thought of the answer. So let's come to the second question now. What does the child wonder about his teacher? What does the child wonder about his teacher? That means the child, that child, what he was thinking about his teacher when he was going to school means what? That वो अपनी टीचर के बारे में क्या सोच रहा था या किस बात पे वंडर कर रहा था. Hope you must have done it. Now come to the next question. Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? That means whether you think that the child wanted to carry his puppy to school means वो अपने puppy को school ले जाना चाहता था. What do you think about it? You have to answer that question in yes or no. Okay. So think of the answer, then tell the answer to your parents. So I think you must have done it till now. Now let's see whether you have answered the question. Discuss the answers with you now. See, the first question was what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? Means that what does the child was thinking about his drawing when he was going to school. So when we have to answer the question, then we have to see that the first two letters what the first two words what and does, these words are the question words. So when we answer the question we don't write the question words again in the answer, we start it from the third word, that is the child in the poem. We'll start it from here, the child in the poem. Now the word is think. Think is a doing word, it's an action word, which means that some work is going on or some work is done here. Okay, so when we see a does in a question, here we can see that the question has what does. So when we has a does in a question, that means we have to put this s to a doing word. So here in this question think is the doing word. मीन्स डूइंग वर्ड होते हैं जो कोई काम मीन्स कोई एक्शन वर्ड्स या कोई काम वाले शब्द होते हैं. ओके, सो हेयर what work is going to be done is thinking. So we can put this s with this word think. So we'll write the answer as the child in the poem thinks if his drawing will be as good as his classmates. So in this poem we read in the first stanza that when the child was going to school, the first stanza was, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. So that means he was thinking whether his drawing is going to be as good as his classmates. So this is the answer of this question. Now, second question. In the second question, what does the child wonder about his teacher? The second question is, what does the child wonder about his teacher? वो child अपनी teacher के बारे में किस बात पे wonder कर रहा था? So the answer of this question, again we are going to start from the. We will not use what does in the answer. We will start it from the child wonder. Now here, as I told you about this does, that whenever in a question does appears, we have to put this s to a doing word. Here in the sentence, are you able to find the doing word? Which work is going on here? That the child is wondering. Okay, so wonder is the doing word here. So we'll add this s to the word wonder, and then we will write the answer as, the child wonders about his teacher that if she will look like her mom or grand. Okay, so grand, sorry. So in this in the third stanza of the poem, the child said that I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. So this was the answer of this question, that he was wondering whether his teacher is going to look like her mom or gran. Okay, so the last question, do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो बच्चा अपने पपी को स्कूल ले जाना चाहता था? So as you can see that in this poem, in the first three stanza, the child was talking about his school, whether his drawing will be good, whether the students will like him or not, and how his teacher will be. But in the last stanza, he is talking about his puppy. That means he loves his puppy a lot and he is going to miss his puppy. That's why I think that yes, he would like to carry his puppy to school, and I think you also think that that he would like to carry his puppy to his school. Okay, so now here you can see that the question word is do. Okay, so there is no did and no does in the question. That means you don't have to change any word here. Okay, so just you will put a yes in place of do, and you will write yes, but in place of you also you have to write I, because when I'm asking you a question, then मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ तो I'll say you, but when you will reply to that answer, in place of you will say I. So yes, I think the child would like to carry his puppy to school. Okay, so these were the three questions of this poem. Now I think you must have understood it, and I am giving you a assignment. Okay, this is your homework, that you have to write these questions and answers in your copy, and you also have to learn them. Okay, so this is your homework, and I will meet you in the next video, which will be about the next topic of this poem. Thank you.